Quetschentaart, a popular Luxemburg speciality, is a simple open fruit tart with the local type of plum, Prunus domestica L subsp italica, closest to a damson or zwetschge, which do not give off much water. It does not work with more watery types of plums, and the stone must be easily removable too. In the Ketty Thull recipe, the dough for the shortcrust base consists of flour, butter, and sugar, unusual for French-style shortcrust, but to balance the sourness, which is key, only. But as with any traditional recipe, every family has its own version. The basin placed in a tart baking dish, and covered with halved plums, no stones, arranged in overlapping circles. It is baked at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees C, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for 45 to 40 minutes or until ready.Traditionally. It is a seasonal dish served in the autumn after the local plums have ripened. It is always served with whipped cream, usually e.g. with the afternoon coffee. References